With the Bespoke AI Laundry Combo, our home is smarter than ever. Wondering how? I'll show you right away. Morning, Bixby. Turn on Good Morning mode. With a personalized routine, one simple voice command controls all your smart devices.
Everything is connected, from the vacuum to the air conditioner and even the TV. When the wash is done, it reports water, detergent, and energy use. Smart, right? Oh, Peter's calling. Hello?
Hey, Bixby. Set the finish time of the washer to 6 p.m.
I'm setting the delay in for washer.
And when I get home, the drying is already done. Super convenient. Save time, save energy, all in one combo.